All right, dumbbell incline curls. This will give you more of a range of motion than you would get if you were just standing. So what you want to do is get a bench, tilt it about 30 to 45 degrees, your preference. The more you lean it back, the more range of motion you'll have to use. So just grab one weight in each hand, lean back, shoulders back. That way you're not putting so much strain on your shoulders. And you're just going to curl the weight up one at a time. Bring it all the way down before you doing the next rep. Okay, so no swinging, using your momentum and switching from side to side. And make sure you're only moving the lower half of your arm. That's how you're going to get the biggest burn for your bicep. If you start moving your upper arm, then you're not getting the same concentration on your bicep as you would if you were just focusing on keeping that upper arm straight. All right, that's dumbbell incline curl.